this is Tim from Your Sake Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache for your different applications on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So we got Netflix right here. So we can go to this and there is an option to clear the cache right here. Now this is going to be a little bit different than clear the data. If you go to clear the data, you're going to delete your login credentials and you're going to have to sign back in. So don't do that. Just go to clear cache, and then we can go to force stop, and then we can go to launch application right here. So very easy to get here. You're on the home page, go all the way over to the right, go to settings, go down to applications, and then go to manage installed applications right here, and then choose your application you're having an issue with, clear the cache, and then start it back up again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Sake Studios.